Okay. So, Angelo, just tell me the all the group members.
Aaron,
Hmm.
Agna,
Aaron,
Alicia,
no, no. Whoever completed, you tell.
Anna just completed.
Anuj completed.
I completed.
You completed.
Then rest of I think they are not completed.
And one more. Did I give only one group or two groups? I gave two groups or one group because two classes are there. That's why I'm asking. All other classes I have given two. That's why. Only one group
Uh,
got, right?
yes, ma'am. From
Ah,
10B.
okay. From 10B, one group and 10C, one group. Okay. So Aaron is present? No. Agna? What about Agna? No. Alicia? Ashna? What about Ashna? Susan? Ashna?
She's not here.
No, no. I'm asking till which name you told in your group?
Ashna, up to
Godwin.
Ashna. No, Godwin is not there.
Only till Ashna. Okay. So all these are not present. Aaron, Agna, Ashna is not present. Alicia also. Alicia is also absent. Now I should call personally, I feel. Then only they will respond. Right? You people are making things difficult, I feel. What about 10C? Eben? No,
Yes,
no,
ma'am.
no. Alna, Alna.
Yes, ma'am.
Alna, your group who all did? Eben completed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ahlam completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed or not, Ahlam?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and only you are remaining then. Anthony.
Anthony Anandu Arun.
Anthony, Anandu, Ananda Krishna.
Yes.
Okay, then you.
Arun. Yes.
Ashik and Arun. Arun Bhaskar. Arun is in your group, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Whether he did?
No, ma'am.
No. So four are remaining. I feel your class only many are becoming absent or what in between. Okay, Alna, you can start now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Afterwards, at the end, I will be taking. All others, I want you to switch on the video, okay? First. 15. Yes. You can start, Alna. What happened? It's not, you unmute that and tell.
Can you start?
Yeah, you can.
Good morning to all. Today, I'm here to take the seminar on the topic uh, sectors of Indian economy
What
on the
about
basis of
no PowerPoint is
organization.
prepared?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you sharing?
Yes.
Share it. Ananda Krishna is present or not? No. Okay. Anthony? No. Arun? Arun is present? So when I feel till the end of the seminar, they are not going to attend the class or what? Is it like that? Aaron, present? Alna, you can try. Okay, I'll just check whether others are present or not. Agna, Alicia, Ashna also. No, absent. Both the classes together, only 30 students are there. Okay, Alna, what happened?
One minute, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, in between, I'll just, Alna, when you're ready, you just tell me. In between, I'll just take a recap on the previous chapter. Srihari, can you tell me what do you mean by credit?
I'm taking loans or
A proper definition is given to you. Everyone switch on your video. Navneet, Sovel, Shania, Delvin, Minha, all switch on your video. First, Vishnu, Kshetra, Emrin, Dominic. Okay. Afterwards, I'll ask Srihari afterwards, okay? What happened? Which topic are you taking? Same topic, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what happened?
Can I start?
Yeah. Why did you change then? Yes.
On the basis of organization, it is divided into two types.
On the basis of organization, it's on the basis of employment, right?
Employee.
Okay. Hmm.
It is divided into two types:
Sector.
organized sector and unorganized sector.
Hmm. Next. Yes.
Organized sector is by small and scattered units which are largely outside the control of the government.
Hmm.
Organized sector. The job is regular and fixed working hours. If people work more, they get paid for the overtime by the employer.
Hmm.
Workers enjoy the security of employment.
Hmm.
Employees will get medical and several other benefits.
Hmm.
Unorganized sector jobs are low paid and often not regular.
Hmm.
Employment is not secure. People can be asked to leave without any reason.
Hmm.
No benefits are available for the workers. Example for organized sector: government employees, registered industrial workers.
Hmm.
Examples for unorganized sector: they do not follow shop, shopkeeper, farming, domestic works. Thank you.
That's all. Here also, I felt you are reading out. Hmm? Okay. Remaining. Now, Ananda Krishna joined, right? I saw him joining. He didn't join. Okay. So, no one is remaining now, or what? What is happening to Ananda Krishna? He's joining and it's not able to do. Okay. Now, Ananda Krishna joined? No. Yeah, Ananda Krishna. Yes. Anandu, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your seminar is ready or not?
No, ma'am.
Why? How many days back I told you? Huh? So when you will be ready now? Please tell fast. Next Monday, can you? Anandu, you can hear me, right? Reply.
Yes, ma'am. Next Monday.
Next Monday. Okay, so next Monday, without fail, join fast and complete your work. Okay, for all these, I told that we are marking or we are giving some marks. So internal assessment is compulsory. You know very well that now this year they have changed a pattern little bit. So afterwards, what will be the change? We don't know exactly. So if you're not doing, do you expect to give mark for that? No. So please try to do whatever assignments we are giving. Okay. Okay, now I will move to the chapter now. Here, I told you about credit, right, Srihari? Do you remember? What is the
Yes, ma'am.
definition of credit?
Credit refers to
It's
yes,
an agreement.
agreement between the lender
Hmm.
and borrower.
Hmm.
The lender supplies the borrower with money,
Hmm.
goods or services,
Hmm.
and the borrower promise for a future payment.
Okay, very good. Okay, so that is what which I discussed. One example I told you where the credit plays a positive role. Okay, now next is another an example is there where it is given how what role is played by credit in Swapna's life. That is what the next one. Okay, Shania, can you read it out louder?
Swapna, a small farmer, grows groundnut on her 3 acres of land. She takes a loan from the moneylender to meet the expenses of cultivation, hoping that her harvest would help repay the loan. Midway through the season, the crop is hit by pests and the crop fails. Though Swapna sprays her crop with expensive pesticides, it makes little differences. She is unable to repay the moneylender, and the debt grows over the year into a large
Amount.
amount. Next year, Swapna takes a fresh loan for cultivation. It is a normal crop this year, but the earnings are not enough to cover the old loan. She is caught in debt.
Debt. How do we pronounce debt? Okay. Yes.
She has to sell a part of the land to pay off the debt.
Okay. Roshan, can you tell how many acres of land she owns? I can't hear. Is there any audio problem? Connected? It's not connected, I feel. Check whether it's connected. Yeah. No. So how many acres of land, Rohan? Can you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, how many acres of land she owns? On the screen it is given how many acres of land she owns. Swapna.
Yes, ma'am.
How many acres of land she owns? Swapna owns. Can you see? No.
3.
3 acres. Okay, 3 acres of land she owns. Now, she doesn't have much money to do the cultivation because she doesn't have much savings and all. So, because of that reason, she is taking a loan. Gautam, from where she is taking a loan? Gautam? Gautam, from where she is taking a loan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, she takes loan from money lender.
Money lender. And what is the speciality of a loan from money lender, Navneet? What is the speciality of if? Yeah. You see, whenever anyone is taking a loan from money lender, there is something different when we take loan from a money lender and a bank. What is the difference? What difference have you noticed, or do you know?
Ma'am,
No.
more we want money.
More
Money.
more money. We call it as interest. Okay, more interest will be charged by the money lender. Okay, but what she felt that okay, even if she take the loan, she can repay that loan after the harvesting. That is what she thought. Okay, now in that her thinking was like that, but what happened, Karthik? What happened? In between, she thought she can do the cultivation. Yes.
Her crop failed and she was unable to pay the money
Yeah,
back.
the crop is destroyed. Crop is destroyed by whom? The pest, and she didn't get a good production. So even, but one more point she is telling that it is given that she has spent money for expensive pesticides, but even then it made a little difference. So what happened? She was not able to get a good production. So Raya, whether she was able to pay back that money to the money lender? No, she was not able to pay back that money to the money lender, so or loan to the money lender. And what happened? The debt grows over the year and it became a large amount. Okay, so it has become a large amount here. Now, next year also, she doesn't have money for cultivation. So what she does? Sanya?
She took a loan for cultivation.
Yeah, she is taking another loan for doing the cultivation. And Raya, what happened that year? How was the cultivation? It was normal. I mean, she got a proper crop that year. But what happened to her situation? Isha, can you tell whether she was able to pay back that old loan?
No, ma'am, the earnings were not enough to cover
the earnings were not enough to cover that old loan. So what happened here? Gauri, what is the result of taking loan here?
She has to sell a part of her land to pay off her debt.
Yes, she sold a part of her land to pay off that debt. Because she was having 3 acres of land, she was able to sell a part of land and paid back that money. So here, this situation shows that credit plays what kind of role here? Negative role or positive role? Anyone? Negative role, because it is not helping her to increase her earnings. Rather than what happened after taking credit, what happened to her? She was not able to earn income. So because of that, she was not able to pay back that loan what she took. And as a result, she sold her land and she paid that, she paid that money. Okay, so like this, you can see the situation. So credit plays 2 roles, I told. Which are those 2 roles? Negative role and positive role. Okay. Now, for what purpose we are taking loans in the rural areas? That is what they have given. For what purpose? For what all needs the farmers take loans in the rural areas? The first thing, it is for what purpose it is? For crop production. Crop production, we need so many things. What all things we need? Seeds we need, fertilizers we need, pesticides we need, water, electricity, repair of the equipment. So like that, for so many things, the people, they need money. Okay, so almost all the farmers, if you see, they are small farmers. They don't have much savings. So they need, they always take a loan from maybe money lender or from the bank and all. Because why do they take loans? Because they don't have enough savings with them. So for what purpose they take loan? For what all comes under their need? For what all things they take a loan? Elsa, can you tell?
Crop production.
Yes, what all it involves? What all things?
Pesticides.
Fertilizers,
Hmm.
seeds,
Hmm.
electricity,
Yes.
water,
Repair of equipment. Now, you know that as we saw the seeds, what do you feel that that month itself we'll get the result? When are we going to get the result? You think of rice or wheat. Okay, we are sowing the seeds. After how many months, somewhat, we will get the result?
In 6 months.
Maybe 6 months or 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 months like that. So we are spending money before 5 months, but you can see you are going to get the result after that. So these months, all these months, you can see that a lot of spending from the side of farmers. They have to buy seeds, pesticides, like continuously they have to spend money. After that, after so long day or after long months only, they are getting this money, or after harvesting only they are going to get money. So there is a period of investment. There is a period between investment and the result. Okay, you are investing a lot of money or you are spending a lot of money. After 5 6 months only you are going to get the result. So farmers, they don't have much money with them because they have to support their family also. So usually they take crop loans at the beginning of the season, and when they will repay that loan after the harvest. If the production did not go well, then they will not be able to pay that loan with interest to the lender. Okay, so that is a big problem if they are not able to repay the loan after harvest. So repayment is very important in it is very important, especially why it is important. They should earn some income from the farming. If they are not able to earn income, then the repayment of the loan is not possible. Okay, so these few things, why do we take credit in the rural areas? For what purpose? For what purpose we take loan in the rural areas? So well,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, for what purpose we take loan in the rural areas?
For crop production.
Crop production, okay. It involves what all things?
Seeds, fertilizers.
Yes, to buy fertilizer.
Seeds, water,
Seeds, water, electricity, for all these purposes. Okay. Now, when they are taking a crop loan, usually they take from the beginning of the season and they repay that after the harvest. So, repayment is very much depend on income from farming. If they are not getting income, then that's all, they will not be able to repay that particular amount of money. Now, Swapna's case, I told you. Swapna's case, what happened? The failure of crops. What was, how did the crops failed? What was the reason for it? Minha? What was the reason for crop failure? Minha? Minha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the reason for crop failure in Swapna's case? Why did the crop fail?
Ma'am, her crops were hit by pests.
Hit by pest, and it was destroyed by the pest. Because of that reason, she was not able to get good production. So because of that reason, what happened? She was not able to repay the loan. So she sold a part of her land here. So credit in this case, what happened? Instead of helping Swapna or instead of improving her earnings, left her worse off in the sense her situation became worse. Okay, now this situation we call it as a debt trap. Debt trap in the sense she was trapped in the debt. Okay, why she was trapped in the debt? Because she took a loan, thought that she thought that she will be getting good production. Then after selling the production, she will be able to sell the production and earn money and pay back the loan. But here what happened? Well, she did not get proper production. She was not able to payback. The trap, we call it as debt trap. Okay, so this is pushing, this credit is pushing the borrower into a situation from which recovery is painful. Recovery is not possible in this situation. That is what one situation they have told you. Okay, so in one situation, what happened? Credit helps to increase the earnings. That is whose situation? Whose situation we discussed, where the credit helps to increase the earnings. Jesslyn. Jesslyn. I told two examples. One is Salim and Swapna. One situation, credit helped to increase the earnings. That was whose situation? Jesslyn. Melita.
Salim.
What is it? Melita. Melita,
Yes, ma'am.
can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, two situations I told here. One is situation of Swapna, another one is situation of Salim. Out of these two, in one situation, credit helped to increase the earnings, increase the income. Whose it was?
Salim.
Salim. Okay, another situation, what happened? Because of crop failure, credit pushes that person into a debt trap. So here these two examples shows that credit plays two roles. Which are they? Eben, what are the two roles played by the credit? Eben.
Ma'am.
Yeah, what are the two roles played by the credit?
Credit helps and
credit helps and, but I told two terms for that. Credit plays a
debt trap.
Positive role and negative role. Credit plays a positive role and negative role. Okay. Now, in that negative role only, they are telling that she has to sell a part of the land and she repaid that particular money here. Okay. So here what happened? Her situation has become worse off than before, because whether the credit will be, before she was she was having a better position, but after taking the loan, what happened? She was not able to repay that and her situation became worse off. Okay, now whether the credit will be useful or not, it depends upon the risk in the situation, whether there is some support in case of loss. Risk in the situation in the sense, here they have given some risk factors here. Okay, in the matter of Salim, what were those risk factors? Lena, can you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
What were those risk factors in the matter of Salim? Some risk is involved. What is that? Salim took a credit. Now there were some limitations, some control was there. I mean, within this, he should do and give. So like
within
that,
1 month.
Within month. So that is a constraint for him. That is a control on him that he should do within this. Otherwise, what will happen? It will be a loss for him. So there are some risk for whom Salim also, but he was able to face that particular situation. And what was the risk involved in the case of Swapna? What was, yes?
Crop failure.
Crop failure. How? Why? What risk was that? Particularly, they have pointed out why the crop failed. Yes? It was destroyed. It was destroyed by the pest. That is what. Okay. It was destroyed by the pest. So these are the important roles they have given here, discussed here mainly. The role of credit. It can be positive or it can be negative here. Now, I saw some of you are entering. Eben,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready for the... No, you have done. Sorry. Anthony is not finished. Anthony, just check whether he's there. Just check once. No. Okay, what about Arun? Arun Bhaskar, just check. I felt that I saw him.
Mama, Anthony is present.
Anthony, can you hear me? Anthony. At least respond when I'm asking. Anthony, is there any problem for you in telling? No. Okay, let me show you that video. So in between, you can see this. Yes.
Ma'am, he's no more in the meeting.